banana crumb muffins. Because we got bananas. So I have my dry ingredients, which is flour, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. My bananas, they're so mushy, be sweet. So I'm gonna mash these with a fork in my cooking show. No, Richard, no. Comment below if you watch SNL. Hey, you want to see my mashed bananas? You want to smell my bananas again?
No.
Here's my mashed bananas. They look very, very tasty. So, we need an egg. Un les œufs. I'm sorry for that. You need half a cup of butter, which is a stick. Wow. Okay. Is this what happens at Drew Barrymore's show? It's very hot. Okay, so I mixed the dry and the wet ingredients together, and now they are in this nice batter form. Paper-lined muffin cups. We got these when we were at IKEA last, the Winterfest. Little muffin cup things, they're really cute. I'll just do one pan and then see where we're at. Okay, so I'm almost, my camera's really hot. It overheats after so many minutes. But I'm almost done filling these. Only a few more, and then I'm gonna put them in the oven. But I want to stop the camera before it overheats. I just made the topping for the banana muffins, which is just brown sugar and butter and cinnamon. Okay, so they're all ready for the oven. Imagine I drop them.